Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use remove face function in CATIA v5. So we have this simple sheet metal part, and it's solid. It's that part, and I'm gonna show you how to remove and simply remove this hole. So it's very simple. We have to use remove face function. So click it, and you are gonna go select faces we have to going to remove and faces you have to keep. So first you can simply select, for example, this face, which we will remove, and next we have to select the face we will have to keep. So I select this face and going to turn out this part and click this face, and that's all. Just click the OK, and hole is gone. So it's a very useful and simple function. So that's it. If you like this video, please give me a like or subscribe, and feel free to comment down below, and see you next one. Bye.